Yeah, good morning, and also thank you for joining us today.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's my great honor to welcome you all to the...
On behalf of the Ministry of Water and Environment and Uganda in general, I wish to welcome everybody to this second training.
And this is our schedule of week 1. So don't forget, every June seminar is scheduled.
Hi everyone, nice to meet again. So yeah, this is more easy part to see, okay?
So shall we shake hands?
The cash flow can be described minus 100, right?
And this course is about planning and designing of water resources infra and dam. So to enhance your understanding about alternative water resources, I will show you some of the examples. The most important thing is that
So if you go to this QGIS main webpage, you can find...
So actually after completion of module 2 to 4, you can make the map.
Morning. Can you hear me? If you can hear, please shake your hands and show us.
Now I'm sharing the result of yours and mine. Okay, you can check here. Here is the cross section. You just put the boundary conditions, probably forecasted or observed in the past.
Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Yes. So
for you to get what is left in the second month, you must add what you reserve, what you saved, plus what you supply.